Cynthia Pleasant, the new principal at Radcliff Elementary School, and tonight is our open house. And as you can see, we have lots of parents and students here, and they are very excited. I mean, extremely excited about the start of the school year. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know the students and the parents, and we're going to have a great school year.
Hi, we are from Kid Spot. We are a pediatric therapy clinic that provides occupational therapy, positive behavior support, speech therapy, counseling, and physical therapy.
Hi, I'm Laura Lang, and I work for Hardin County Skills U. We provide GEDs for people who would like to earn those. People who want to get a better job can come in to brush up their math and their reading skills. Or if you want to go to college, but it's been a while since you've been in school, come on down and visit us. We have a location in E-Town and in Radcliff, and we're totally free.
I'm Mr. Cook. I drive a bus for Hardin County Schools. We're here tonight at Radcliff Elementary to answer questions. If you have any questions, you can go on the website. And remember, we have precious cargo on our buses, so when you see the red stop arm out, stop and obey all of the traffic laws.
I'm Meredith Howell. We are working the pickup table at Radcliff Elementary, and these are for students that get picked up every day. As a car rider, they are assigned a number, and the parent will also pull in with the matching number to make sure we know that it's okay for them to be picked up safely.
I'm Lisa from Healthy Kids Clinic. We'll be starting here in January. We'll actually be a clinic inside the school. We'll have a nurse practitioner on duty. If your child gets sick during the day, the school nurse will call and say, do you want little Johnny to be seen by the nurse practitioner? And if so, the nurse practitioner will see him, and we'll just bill your insurance just like you were at a clinic outside somewhere. But we're always available. We do everything except x-rays.
My name is Carrie Claggett. I'm the cafeteria manager at Radcliff Elementary. I want you to know that the lunch and breakfast are all free for our students this year, and you can access our menu on the Hardin County Schools website. It'll tell you the carbs and the sugar and the fats, and you can access any information about allergies. It'll be the same menu for the whole year. It'll be rotating week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and it'll continually rotate. This will be the first day that we come back. So all you have to do is just look on there and you can find everything you need. We're looking forward to you.
My name is Craig Buchanan. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Radcliff Elementary and North Park Elementary. Today we have vendors set up. Here we have local community health agencies, counseling agencies, food service, SAC, and a little bit about what we do. We do basic needs assistance. We do food, utilities, clothing, school supplies. We refer for the Feeding America backpack program. We work in connection with Cradle School, which is 0 to 5, and just links to community agencies. If a family needs help with something, we'll do our best to partner them up with that agency. So that's a little bit about us. If you need to contact us, call us at 270-352-3352.
My name is Ivy Taylor. I work with Craig Buchanan at the Family Resource Centers for Radcliff Elementary School and North Park Elementary Schools. In my role, I try to reach out to the families, help them with any kind of special needs. My role as an outreach worker, I like to take a lot of donations from families for gently used clothes. A lot of times we'll have kids that maybe don't have clothes that fit. We'll make sure that they have shoes that are in good working order, that are clean. We provide tons of community resource programs, whether it's counseling that they might need through CommuniCare or Next Step, and just really try to assist our community in any way possible. It's all about the kids, and it's a really amazing opportunity to be able to help this community.
Hi, I'm Ava Snyder, and I work with the FRCs. I am an outreach worker as well. I teach the Cradle School program as well as the in-home visitation program. With the Cradle School program, it is ran kind of like a preschool classroom. We do everything that they do in the preschool classroom. Basically, the whole thing is to get our children prepared for preschool or kindergarten entry. And then the in-home visitation program is the same thing. The whole goal is to give parents the tools to make sure that their child is prepared for school.
Hello, my name is Brandy from the Next Step Counseling Services. I'm here tonight giving information about school-based counseling services. We're also handing out information about discipline and praise. Here's our little brochure. So if anybody's interested in school-based counseling services, they can call our office and we can get it set up for them.
Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm here with Pack 488 from the Cub Scouts here in Radcliff. Currently we are meeting to have an informational meeting on Friday, August 3rd at 6:30 down at the very bottom of Saunders Springs. We meet pretty much every week, different nights depending on the grade that the kid's in, but we have a whole lot of fun. We do hiking, camping, fishing, BB guns, archery, a little bit of everything. So if you're interested, come on down. We take both boys and girls this year. So if you've got a little boy, a little girl, they want to come on down.